Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by opening Chrome and locating the profile icon in the top right. Click it to reveal current profiles and the Manage Profiles option. This begins the change. If you already signed into Chrome, make sure you know which Google account to switch to, because signing in links bookmarks and settings. Once done, choose Manage Profiles and prepare to add, edit, or switch a profile. This first step puts you in the exact menu where profile changes happen. Now you either add a new profile or edit an existing one. Click Add to create a fresh profile, or open the three-dot menu on a profile tile and pick Edit Profile to change its name and avatar. You should sign in with the Google account you want to use so sync transfers bookmarks and extensions. Without sign-in settings, stay local. Make sure to enable or disable sync for the data types you want. This controls what moves between devices. Finish by switching to the target profile using the profile icon, then confirm your bookmarks, history, and extensions reflect the selected account. If something looks off, sign out and back in, or relaunch Chrome to force settings to apply. Make sure to review profile-specific extensions and site permissions. Those don't always transfer automatically. Troubleshooting tip: if sync or extensions misbehave, clear the browser cache and disable recently added extensions, then re-enable them one at a time to find conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.